This is Echo Dance, and it's the first section, really nice and slow, hands together. So your right hand thumb is on D above middle C, your left hand thumb is on A below, and all the fingers are lined up. They don't actually move out of this position. Okay, right hand, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. Now here, your right has to pluck up with the finger 2, but your thumb in the left hand has to stay on. 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. So I'm going to play those first 4 bars again. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Then we do the same again. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. Now this time both hands are smooth and stay on. Right hand, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. And your left hand is still doing a 1 and a 5 smoothly. So I'll play all that first bit from bar 1 to bar 8. Now the next bit, the hands take it in turn. So left thumb, right 2, 5, back to left thumb, and 3. Now this is the tricky bit. Your right hand is going to go 1, 2, 3, but the 1 has to stay on and join smoothly to the 2, whereas your left hand finger 4 has got to pluck up and not stay on. So they've got to play at the same time. Right hand smooth and holding, left hand plucked. Both short, and then thumb on its own. So I'm going to do that bit from bar 9 again. Okay, from the beginning to bar 12.